15-year of US dollar bull run ended in the year 2025, the year Donald Trump actually took over. In this 15-year, dollar has actually appreciated by 40%. So what we see as depreciation in dollar is not unknown, unheard of. But yes, it is worse since 1973. Dollar has fallen against major currencies between 7% to 13%. It is only India against which dollar has actually appreciated by more than 5%. Here are the 5 reasons why actually dollar has depreciated against major currencies. First and foremost reason is when Donald Trump becoming president of United States, he unleashed a completely new tariff war that has actually weakened US economy. US is no longer seen as a reliable partner. Dollar is not seen as reliable currency. So countries across the world which hold close to 30 trillion of US debt are actually buying something else. People say they are buying gold as well, and that is the reason why gold has actually appreciated. So here are the 5 reasons why US currency is depreciating. Policy uncertainty after 2024 elections, slowing US growth, interest rate advantage is shrinking because US has been strong for years because US interest rate was much higher than Europe, Japan and China. But in 2025, it is expected to fall from 5.25 to 2.5 because Eurozone rates are already at 2%, China is at 3%, Japan is at 5%. Foreign investors are hedging US assets. Tariff and fiscal uncertainty is actually adding to the weakness in dollar. So 2026 will be a year to watch out how dollar performs vis-a-vis other currencies, how US economy performs vis-a-vis other currencies. Thank you so much.